be going over advanced kicking techniques, but like everything, we need to warm it up.
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's drop it like a top. Let's do some squats.
Yes,
Ready?
sir.
Here we go. 1. Put that pressure in your heels. Chest up.
4.
Nice.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sir.
Good. Check it out. Check it out. Back to that squat. Go. Yeah. From here, he's gonna pick up his front leg. He's gonna jump in to the other leg, just like that. We're gonna call that, let's say, a front leg double or knee up double. And he's gonna do it one more time. Perfect. He's gonna do 10 in a row. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sir. Nice. Roll those knees one way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 요. Other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Let's go. Hips. Sir. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Another way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Since these techniques are more dynamic, Master Royal is going to do some more dynamic jumping. So he's going to jump those knees to his chest. One, ha, jump, ha, hey, ha, go, ha, hey, ha. And he's going to bring those heels up like in that earlier video. Ready? One, ha, go, ha, hey, ha, go, ha, hey, ha. Good. From here, he's going to bring one knee up, one heel back. This is also known as Super Mario 10 times on your own. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sir.
Good. We're going to introduce a chair.
Sir.
Oh, big sir. 4 little dynamic stretching. So from here, Master Royal is just going to put one hand on it, just for a little balance. He's going to start off with swinging his leg out like that stretch kick. He's going to go 10 on one side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. 2 hands on the chair.
Sir.
Now he's going to bring that foot up sideways. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other leg.
Sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sir.
He's going to stay in that position. Make sure he has enough room in front to bring his knee up and then stretch it back. Perfect. Now he's going to turn sideways 90 degrees. Just to show you at home, keeping that foot here. Bring it back in that side kick position. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's going to stay in that position. Now he's going to hook his leg across. So this is going to bring us into that back spinning kick. So really we're working on the last part of the technique. So as that foot comes up, normally it would be straight out, but he's going to start it a little off to the side and then bend his knee, hook it through. So we're just going to do, let's say 8 on each side. He's going to hook it across. 1, hook, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Relax. So remember that last little part for later in the video. Good. Go. Raise the twin. Switch this guy. Good. From here, all he's going to do is we're going to start off and we're going to do a double roundhouse kick. Sometimes to start this, really it's learning how to jump and kick off the same leg. So all I'm going to have Master Royal do is pick up his front leg, And now he's gonna jump and kick a roundhouse kick off his back leg. Just like that. Now he's gonna pick up that front leg, jump and go. Just to get used to that jumping and kicking motion with the same leg, pick up that front leg and kick. And one more time, pick up that leg and relax. So now when we do that double roundhouse kick from the back leg, that end position is really going to be for your second kick. As far as this guy, so he's going to go slow motion, he's going to use his back leg to do that first roundhouse. And then this is the position that we were starting from before. He's going to jump and kick, go. And we have our double roundhouse kick. One more time slow, he's going to kick, hold, kick. Good, now he's going to add a little speed, double roundhouse, 1. Good, turning those hips over, 2. Good, 3. 4. 5. 6. Switch your step. One more time, we're going to take it slow. His back leg's going to kick, he's going to leave it up, he's going to jump and kick. Boom, turn those hips over, one more slow. And jump and kick. Perfect, now we're going to add a little speed. Ready, 1. And when I say we're going to add a little speed, I mean Master Hoyle's going to add a little speed.
Yes, sir.
Help. Hey. Help. Hey. And one more help. So he says, good. From here, we're going to remember that last position. So we're going to turn to the backside. Master Hoyle's going to pick up his back leg, pivot to the back, and this is that last position we were at before. Jump and kick. Boom, reset. So one more time, he's going to turn to the backside, jump and kick. This is going to be for our rolling roundhouse kick. So you really got to make sure you pivot on that front foot. For beginners, if you're just starting to do this, really we almost I call it like a little hopping. So he's going to pick up that back leg and do a little hop, 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 kick. And then once you have that down, then it's really working on being smooth and having a nicer rotation. So Master Hoyle's going to show us full speed rolling roundhouse. 1. Nice. 2. 3. 4. And one more, 5. Good. So same thing on this side. We're going to go basic way. He's going to pick up that back leg, do a little hop, 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 jump, kick. Good. One more time, basic. Hop, 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 jump, kick. And now you're really trying to make that smooth spin. Smooth. 1. Nice. 2. 3. 4. And the last one, 5. Switch this. Good. Last advanced kicking technique, back spinning kick. So this is the last advanced kicking technique we're going to cover in this video, back spinning kick.
Sir.
He's going to turn his front leg like backside kick. Look over his back shoulder. Then that last little part that we did on the chair where he hooks his leg across and returns it to his starting position. So one more time, similar to backside kick, turn that front heel, look over that back shoulder, hook his leg across, all the way back to that starting position. Just like rolling roundhouse kick, we're working on making that spin smooth and keeping that body weight back.
Sir.
Master Hoyle, let's see full speed. 1. Nice. 2. 3. 4. And one more, 5. Switch this. Good. Ready, back spinning kick. 1. Good. 2. 3. 4. And last one, 5. Huddle, breathe in. Breathe out. Good job. So you turn around, set your breath. Looking good.
Woo! Looking real good. I had all this stuff. I was over there. I was like, wait a minute. I remember these from basic kicking, intermediate kicking, and I thought advanced kicking. Let's do all of them. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Take one more hand though. Alright. Let's see how good those moves are.
Just speaking, sir.
So what if I were to come back to like this? Alright, that one hurts. Let's just use these two. Okay, kill me up. Now that's what I call advanced kicking.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Awesome job,
Good
sir.
job, sir. All right.
Sorry. Clean up my mess.
One of the 7 home rules, make sure you're keeping your room neat and clean. All right, so good job, sir.
Sir.
Just to recap, episode 9, we went over advanced kicking, double roundhouse kick, rolling roundhouse kick, back spinning kick. In episode 10, we're going to put this together with those advanced hand techniques into a real-life application or practical situations.
Yes, sir.
Drill.
Don't forget to like.
And subscribe. Press that button.
It's good.
Why's my hair? If you like my hair, press that button. If you don't like my hair, press that button.